Alex, wake up. Nice. Here you go. Hello everybody. I will do unboxing. This is what we received from B&H. This is battery-powered 600 watt second TTL strobe light, sort of like, you know, Pro Photo and all this stuff, but less expensive. So I didn't see what's inside. I mean, I literally never opened it. Let's see. Oh man, this is what I didn't expect. No, really. Look at this. Oh man. Whew. And it's heavy. So, last time I think I've seen something like this with alien chrome. I forgot the name of the light. Anyway, here it is. Looks nice, huh? The box. Almost like a gun inside. Let's see. Ta-da-da! Woo! Nice. Nice light. Let's see. Let's see what we have. So, the strobe light itself looks nice, looks small. We have a beautiful Bowens mount reflector, 70-degree reflector. And you see, to make it stay here, there is a little screw that kind of, well, it's still a little bit flimsy, but it's fine. It's not gonna, you know, I'm not going to run with it. What else do we have? We do have a holder. So instead of this stand mount, right, we can easily replace it for the holder. Looks good. Oh, this is this. Here it is. Nice, beautiful switch on, off. Let me fix. Okay, charging the battery is actually batteries. It says that it's battery charged. So, beautiful. What else do we have here? We have cord, one cord, another cord. This is power supply. We have the strap. This is what we have. And of course the manual, short manual, TTL-600 watt second Monolight kit. Let's turn on modeling light. Okay, modeling light is cool. It's LED, I can see. This is, let's do full power. Wow, 600 watt second, and that fast. So next part, I'm going to shoot some tests, but first let me find out, you know, how to test it the best way. So if you have any ideas, again, this is super cool light. It's not expensive. The link is on the first comment where you can get it. 600 watt second is a lot, especially in such small package. So what do you want me to do? Comment, please, let me know, and I'll try to do it. I'll try to do my best to screw things up with this guy. Nice. Okay, see you in the next video. Subscribe to the channel. It's coming soon. Bye, guys. Hello, this is Alex.